People is proud to present the 4th season of the 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, which is leading the way in advocating for technology that promotes financial inclusivity. Since 2020, we've profiled over 100 fintechs, and our latest season is shining a spotlight on those breaking down digital barriers and transforming lives for the better.
My name's Mulwana Joshua, and I'm the founder and CEO at Malticard. We are a digital agency that uses near-field communication to create products that improve people's lives. As per now, we have 3 main products. That is the digital business card that uses near-field communication, whereby you just tap on someone's phone and then you share your contact details with them, so you don't have to move with countless paper cards. Then we also have a smart wallet that helps you prevent fraudsters from copying information off your credit cards, because it has an RFID protector, and you can also easily access your business cards or credit cards with just a clip. Then we have school time that enables keep track of who has picked a child from school, ensuring that the proper guardian picks up that child from school. And then we have also a ticketing system that we install at stadiums to help them keep track of the fans that have come, and also to help them with their match day ticketing. And we are currently working with KCCA Football Club. We realize very many organizations spend more than 80,000 on one individual per year buying paper cards, and of which, when these people go out to network, when you give someone a paper card, it ends up either in their pocket or in their laundry basket the following day. But for the Malticard, it helps you get leads in real time, because someone is able to add you there and then. And then we also realize that when you get someone's paper card, we as humans are literally lazy. You won't go back home and you're like, what was this guy's YouTube handle? But with Malticard, it literally gives you everything on a silver plate. So all you have to do is to just tap, and then you get access to this person. People log on to malticard.com, Malticard, M-A-L-T-I card, and then they sign up, they create an account. Now, when they create an account, in our back end, it comes as a request. Then we call you, and if you have a logo, we ask for your logo. In case it's not really a good logo, we redesign it, and then we give you a copy of a sample. If you give it a green light, you produce it, and then we deliver it for free. Our card goes for 45,000. It comes with a free monthly subscription. Then afterwards, you begin paying 1,000 shillings per month or 12,000 per year via your account through mobile money or card. Our very first corporate organization was DHL International. And right now we have over 1,200 subscribers that are using the Malticard. But if you are to combine all our products, we have around 3,000 users. One of the challenges, penetrating the corporate organizations is not easy. You literally have to talk to the big person, per se. Why? When you approach the procurement person, it's like they see you're going to take away their side hustle, because you're going to literally stop them from having to purchase paper cards all the time. So that has been a little bit of headache for us, and maybe also trying to explain to people the advantage of our card in relation to what they've been using. Because for us, our card is multi-purpose. It's more than a business card. It's an access control card. The same card can be used for accessing office, clock in, clock out, or company ID. So some people are rigid. They want to stay with their old ways. So it has been a little bit of a challenge. And maybe, like any other startup, funds for operation. So they limit the way you're going to spread out to new organizations or your day-to-day work. Every year that passes by, the number of smartphones amongst the various Ugandans is increasing. So literally for us, that's a good thing for us. But on the other end, I think the data bundles are really expensive compared to our neighbors like Rwanda, Tanzania. So it limits the usage of the internet. And most of our digital innovations are cornered around the internet. Someone has to use the internet to be able to access them. So that's a little bit of a limitation. But when you look at the smartphone world, I think various phone brands have come up and they have tried to create the cheapest smartphone that can actually even be used by a border person. So in that space, the more the numbers of smartphones, that's more like a tick for us. But one of the challenges is the pricing of the internet bundles. So it's more of a downgrade. We tried integrating directly with MTN and Airtel, but I feel like it was so bureaucratic. And it was easier to integrate with these other payment gateways like the Flutterwave. It's more like straightforward as long as you have your KYC. But with the main telecoms, it's really hard work. Up to now, we have never finalized. So I feel like the gateways are easier to work with. Maybe the telecoms have to really improve on the pathway to using their service. Can sign up by logging on to Malticard, www.malticard.com. Malticard is malticard.com.
Join us in this financial inclusivity revolution presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Cyber PLC Academy, Cross-Select Technologies, Amphitex, Ideation Corner, and the Moduloop Foundation with generous support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days for the FinTechs, hashtag Level 1 Project to learn more and get involved in creating a brighter financial future for all.